Whiteboard and Doodle video creation tools continue to be popular for marketers, educators, content creators, and businesses. Three of the most talked about tools in this space are Doodly, Doodlemaker, and Instadoodle. All three promise to help you create engaging doodle or animated videos, but they differ a lot in features, ease of use, and overall capability. So which one really stands out, and which one should you use? Let's dive in. Let's start with Doodly, one of the older players in the doodle video market. Doodly is known for its drag-and-drop interface that allows users to create whiteboard animation videos without any coding or design experience. You can choose from a library of pre-drawn characters, props, and scenes, and then arrange them on a timeline to create a story. Doodly's strength has always been simplicity. It's approachable even if you've never made a video before. Its interface is straightforward, and creating a basic doodle video can be done in minutes. For business owners, educators, or anyone who wants to create simple animated explanations or intros without a steep learning curve, Doodly fits that need well. However, one limitation of Doodly in 2026 is that its features feel more static compared to newer tools. The library of assets is solid, but customization options can feel limited, and the overall look, while classic, can start to feel dated. If you need a quick explanation video with simple sketches and no advanced animation, Doodly still does that efficiently. But if you need more dynamic, modern, or rich animations, it may not fully satisfy you. Next up is Doodlemaker, a tool that builds on the idea of doodle videos but integrates more modern animation capabilities and automation. Doodlemaker allows you to generate doodle videos using text inputs and templates, and it supports a variety of animation styles beyond traditional whiteboard. One of the key selling points of Doodlemaker is its AI scripting and auto-generation features, where you can input text or a script and the platform helps turn that into an animated sequence with transitions, voiceovers, and graphics. This automated approach can save a lot of time for creators who want to generate content rapidly. Doodlemaker also tends to offer more varied backgrounds, color schemes, and animation effects compared to traditional whiteboard builders. If you want videos that feel more modern and colorful, and you don't want to spend hours manually placing assets frame by frame, Doodlemaker is attractive. The trade-off is that its automation sometimes hides control. If you want very precise timing or animation behavior, you might feel constrained by automated layouts. Finally, we have Instadoodle, a newer generation of AI-driven video animation tools that aims to combine ease of use with advanced customization and AI generation. Instadoodle lets you generate animated videos not just from templates, but from natural language prompts. You describe the concept, tone, and structure of your video, and the AI builds a draft that you can tweak visually. Beyond just doodle visuals, Instadoodle supports multiple animation styles, background music suggestions, auto lip sync for voiceovers, and smart transitions that feel more cinematic. One of Instadoodle's biggest advantages in 2026 is how much control it gives you without sacrificing speed. If you want dynamic character movements, scene changes, or expressive animation, Instadoodle can deliver more polished results with less manual effort. It's especially powerful when combined with AI voice synthesis, so you can generate the visuals and narration in one workflow. So how do these tools compare when it comes to being the best? If your priority is simplicity and ease of use, where you can create a whiteboard video in minutes with no prior experience, Doodly is still one of the most approachable. It's predictable, stable, and friendly for beginners. If your priority is automation and variety of styles, with more modern visuals and the option to generate videos based on text scripts, Doodlemaker steps up the game. It's more versatile than classic whiteboard builders and helpful for rapid content production. If your priority in 2026 is AI-driven creativity, custom animation, and high-quality output without heavy manual design, Instadoodle tends to be the most capable. It combines natural language input with smart visuals, modern animation effects, and deeper customization, which makes it compelling for creators who want more than just basic doodle videos. None of these tools are scams. All are real, established video creation platforms used by marketers, educators, and creators. The question isn't whether they work, but which one matches your needs. If you're making simple outbreak videos or sketches, Doodly might be enough. If you need rapid production with moderate variety, Doodlemaker is strong. If you want advanced, expressive, AI-assisted animation with minimal setup, Instadoodle is the one that often wins. If this comparison helped you decide which tool fits your video creation goals in 2026, leave a like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, leave a like downs, and tell me in the comments which one will you use, Doodly, Doodlemaker, or Instadoodle. Stay creative, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next one.